Hi everyone, this is Nikita from the JAM and Panther team. Today I'll be talking about working with Panther or Oracle stored procedures. In this video, I'll talk about how to execute an Oracle stored procedure from Panther 553. So, what is a stored procedure? A stored procedure is a group of SQL statements that has been created and stored in the database. It will accept input parameters so that a single procedure can be used over the network by several clients using different input data. They not only provide performance but also higher productivity, ease of use, and increased scalability. Here we have a small example. This stored procedure selects two columns, employee name and employee experience, from employee table, where employee ID is a particular ID. The stored procedure ID proc has in and out parameter of type integer. The name proc is a out parameter of type varchar. I'm now going to demonstrate how to call the Oracle stored procedure from Panther. This is my test screen. First, I'll connect to the Oracle 19 database. Then, I'll create a table. I'll also insert and update a few rows in this table. Next, I'll create and run the stored procedure. As you can see, this is the stored procedure we have used in the previous example. Let's start with connecting the database. I'll first choose my username and my password, and I'll click on Connect to DB. As you can see, I'm now connected to the database. I'm now going to create a table by clicking on Create. The table is now created. I'll also insert a few rows. This is row 1. This is row 2, row 3, and I'm going to update the row 3. So my updated row is Jane Doe instead of John Doe. I'm also going to insert another row and update it again. So it is changed to Jane Doe. And I have 4 rows and my row count is 4. I'm now going to create a stored procedure. So I'll click on Create SP. It is created. I'm going to choose any of the IDs over here. So for example, I've taken employee ID 4 and I'm now going to run the stored procedure. This is my stored procedure. It is fetching out the name and the experience of the employee. I would like to show you the JPL and SQL that ran when I pressed the Run SP button. This is my Run SP procedure. I want to point out the logic that executes the stored procedure. This line declares a cursor that shows the parameters for this stored procedure. The next line executes the stored procedure and it uses the parameters ID proc_var and name proc_var. It is very important to note that the parameters are variables and not fields. If you like a copy of the code in my video, you may reach out to us. Thanks for watching our video. If you like the video, please press the like button. If you're viewing our content for the first time, please subscribe. If you have any queries, either post them in the comment section below or email us at support@prolifex.com.